The best way to say thanks is poke subscribe right in the face and then click the little bell. If you want to be notified, you can be notified too. Thanks.
Brian's Mobile One.
This is a brake pad from a Lexus LS400, and this is the wear sensor for it. It's the same 2-wire sensor that you see on a lot of BMWs and other European vehicles. This just happens to be a Japanese design, and I just happen to think it's frickin' awesome. Let me show you why. All you need is a dental pick. Just what I do is I use my thumb as a fulcrum and then brace it so it doesn't fly across the room. Just pull it out like that. You can see that the short side is the pad side. You just set that down, don't step on it or munch it. And then to get the sensor out, I use that same pick. I run it up between the wires. Just run it parallel to the brake pad. Apply some pressure. It'll click. Then come around this side and just kind of do the same thing. And just push it until your pick bottoms out again. If it's straight, it'll go out. If it's crooked, even a little bit, it'll bind. Doesn't matter how hard you push it. Just go like that. This one's being a little stubborn because it's got a bunch of grit. You just wiggle it through, turn it, and you're clear. To put it in, you just go like that. Same thing. Just make sure that these are clean and that you've got them right. Put it back in. You just go the short side to the brake pad and wiggle it in. How sweet is that? That's awesome. It's not designed to fall apart or like fail. Once again. All right, now you try. To find out what I'm up to, follow me on Instagram or Facebook and you'll see what videos are coming down the pipe.
Bonus footage at the end.